This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the liftgate. Remove the fasteners from the appropriate taillight assembly. Use a flat trim tool. Carefully pry the taillight assembly from the body. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise a quarter turn, then pull it straight out. The bulbs pull straight from their sockets. Install the bulbs by pushing the bulb securely into the socket, then aligning the socket tabs with the housing and turning the socket clockwise until it is secure. Align the taillight housing locator pins with the holes in the body. Then press the lens assembly firmly into place. Install the housing fasteners and tighten them securely. Verify that the taillight bulbs operate properly.